Wolvox ERP Stock Inventory. You can display total incoming, total outgoing, total remaining values without transaction details by using Stock Inventory field. Let's see how the report works. Push the filter button at the bottom after opening the report field. There are some details on the report such as stock code, barcode, stock name, group, unit, transfer quantity, total incoming quantity, total outgoing quantity, and total remaining quantity. You can also display inventory unit price and inventory amount of your stocks on this report field. In this way, you can view how many products you have got in total. Unit price will be based on the selection on the Pricing tab. You can make selection as purchase price 1, 2, 3, or 4 to your inventory unit price on the stock card. Product price can be based on recently purchased price. It can be based on the average purchase price or average weight purchase price. It can be based on the cheapest purchase price or the most expensive purchase price. It can make price calculation according to LIFO and FIFO methods. It can make calculation based on sales price 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the stock cards. Let's see the Pricing tab by sampling. Add new prices to Purchase Prices on Prices tab by opening any stock card. The inventory unit price displays when the purchase price 1 is selected has changed to the price we entered. The inventory price will be changed as edited price after filtering by selecting Purchase Price 2. In the same way, the inventory price will be changed as edited price after filtering by selecting Purchase Price 3. Purchase Price 4 that we entered will appear after filtering by selecting Purchase Price 4. The inventory amount value is being calculated as remaining quantity multiply inventory unit price. The purchase price that defined on product's most recent purchase price will be reflected on inventory unit price field after filtering by selecting most recent purchase price. The product's average purchase price will be reflected on inventory unit price after filtering by selecting average purchase price. Average purchase price is being calculated as total of product's several purchase prices divide number of several purchase prices. Weighted average purchase price is being calculated as total of several purchase prices divide total of currency purchase prices. Program is able to do rounding on calculated amounts. Product's cheapest purchase price will appear on inventory unit price field as in stock transaction report if you filter by selecting the cheapest purchase price. In the same way, product's highest purchase price, which is checked in stock transactions, will be reflected on inventory unit price if you filter by selecting highest purchase price. Inventory unit prices will appear as 0 if you report by clicking LIFO and FIFO, but the inventory amounts of the products will be generated over the calculated values. Let's see some examples on LIFO and FIFO methods. According to LIFO and FIFO methods, products purchase prices, purchase and prices quantities, and also purchase and sales date are being activated. Only for FIFO stock, we have purchased 100 units over 75 cents per unit at 10:46 on the 18th day of the month. 9 outgoing transactions have been made on same product and same day at 10:47, 12:48, and 15:48. So we made 3 outputs after 100 unit entries. According to LIFO method, 3 units of products we sold are decreased from the last purchased 100 units of products. 91 units of products remaining from the last entries in total. According to this, when we multiply 91 units of products with the last purchase price, 75 cents, we have $68.25. Total amount of 60 cents purchased per 100 units is $60. After adding $68.25 to $60, $128.25 is being the inventory amount. Let's see the FIFO method now. When we have purchased the product over 60 cents in May 17 as the first time, 3 unit entries that we sold will be decreased from 100 units amount according to FIFO method. We get $54.6 after multiplying the remaining 91 units with 61 cents. The inventory amount is being $129.6 after adding $75 to $54.6. LIFO and FIFO methods are based on transaction date. When we see FIFO, product entry prior to transaction date will be paired with same stock output transactions. Inventory price will be calculated by this pairing. When we see LIFO, product entry is the last transaction date will be paired with same stock output transactions. Important note: since LIFO and FIFO calculations are based on product stock entries and outputs, output cannot be applicable without stock entry. The inventory unit prices will be defined according to the most recent selected sales price 1, 2, 3, 4 calculations on pricing tab and sales price 1, 2, 3, 4 entered on stock card. Use periodic statistics option will be activated when one of the most recent purchase price, average purchase price, weighted average purchase price, the cheapest purchase price, and the highest purchase price options are selected. In case of selection of this option, program calculations will be based on defined date range criteria if we entered date on inventory field of Filter 2 tab. We can filter according to our stock card information through Filter 1. By selecting foreign currency unit on inventory account, we can display total amount of the stock transaction inventories that processed to foreign currency we specified. The program will add the amounts of transactions that are processed to foreign currency on calculations when filtering by selecting Add Forex to Statistics option. After filtering by selecting only Inventory Quantity option, Inventory Unit Price and Inventory Amount fields are going to reset. Incoming quantity and remaining quantity values will be reported only. After filtering by selecting Include Blocked and Unordered Stocks option, the program will add blocked and unordered stock quantities to calculations from Offer and Order modules. On Filter To tab, we can filter according to the values of stock cards such as brand, model, color, size, unit. After filtering by selecting Show Out of Stock Limits Records option, we can display the list of stocks that are over and above the minimum and maximum values that we defined on stock cards. On the report, we can select Include Negatives option in order to display stocks with a balance. We can select Include Zeros option in order to display the stocks with zero balance. We can select Include Zero and Negatives option in order to display the stocks with balance, both negative and zero. We can list the stocks in the specified range by entering the minimum and maximum values on Remaining Quantity field. We need to specify the inventory date we want to display on Inventory Date field. If we specify any date on Date to Date field, the transactions before this date will be based on the cycle. You can open the stock card that you are on by clicking Open Card button above. You can open transaction of selected stock by clicking Open Transaction button on the same field. By clicking Mass Stock button, you can open the page that you can make input or output to mass stock transactions. We can print out the filtered records by Print button right above.